Hey, what's going on? My name is Anthony Davis. Today, I'm gonna go over how you can use video to introduce your business in 2022. So you're probably asking, why should I use video to introduce my company in 2022? In 2022, you're asking why you should use video. The reason why you should use video to introduce your company is that it helps eliminate pain points such as the questions that your client might have, get your potential client to get a feel for who you are, but then also you can quickly promote services. So I'm gonna go over 3 of those today. And the first one being video business cards. Now, no, it's not like a digital card that you can that you scan with a QR code, blah blah blah. What this is a way for your potential clients to not only be emotionally connected to you, but also understand the what, who, when, and why to what you do and your business, and also how you can help them. So with video business cards, this can last anywhere from a minute and a half to 2 minutes, and essentially you're just kind of showcasing your personality, and it's not really scripted, so it won't, well, you don't want it to be scripted. You want it to be as authentic as possible, so that when they see that video, it's the real you, and if they feel like that you're a good fit, hey, there you go. So once you get done with the video business card, if you decide to go that route, what's next? Well, you should probably do a promotional video. With promo videos, what this helps with is showcasing your services and any new products that you might have. So this can range from anywhere from like 15 seconds to even a minute. But for social media purposes like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok even, you might just want to keep this around the shorter time range. But with the promotional videos, it's quick. You can use this. This is actually really effective with ads. So I would pair this up, and especially if the whoever you're consulting with understand how to use ads effectively, that's a go-to. Last but not least, testimonial videos. Now, yes, you might have Google reviews on Google or on your website, even like written-based testimonials. But really, you should probably get this in video format. Reason why, this can help quickly answer those questions, whether it's based off of FAQs or just common questions that you get. And you're probably tired of answering those questions. So when somebody sees that there's an actual human responding to those objectives that they might have in their head, that builds trust, that builds credibility, that you know what you're doing, and that you actually provide the services that that you're saying that you overall do. And especially if you have it at a value-based price, easy. All right, so now what's next? Like, what do I do? How do I even get started? Well, if you want to get started with us, whether it's a video business card, testimonial, promotional video, or even business headshots, just go ahead and send us an email at info@boldpromomedia.com, or come to our website at boldpromomedia.com. And we cannot wait to hear from you. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have other ways, let us know, and we will make sure that we reply to you. But overall, have a good day. Peace.